Dear learners, let us go to the website of National Repository of Open Educational Resources, that is nroer.gov.in. Now here we find the Repository of Open Educational Resources. Now these open educational resources, they are mapped to school curriculum. Let us now click themes. As we click the themes, we get national curriculum. When we click national curriculum, we find themes and topics which are mapped to the national curriculum, and these different subjects are given. Let me click biology, animals, tissues. So that means for tissues we have 4 documents and 1 video. Here is one video on this topic. Let me click this video. Now, episode 1 of the video lecture of chapter 7 of the biology textbook for class 11th. It covers structural organization in animals and animal tissues. So this resource, this video resource, as we have already discussed, the common creative licenses. So this is attribution, share alike. This can be downloaded and this can be used in your lesson plans. Now let us go back to the other resources available on this topic. This is a PDF. So there is a quiz on tissues. This quiz can be utilized in your lesson plans. Let's go to mathematics foundation. So these are the different topics. There are 2 documents on this. Mathematical reasoning. There are 12 videos. So I click on the first one, mathematical induction. So episode 1 of the video lecture on chapter 4 of the mathematics textbook for class 11th. It covers introduction to mathematical induction. So let us click this video. This is for class 11th mathematics, principle of mathematical induction, and we can download this video and easily we can use it in the lesson plans. So there are different types of resources which are available on this website, and let's take history, gathering evidences. Let's take social and religious histories, no resources. Okay, let's go back. Let's take chemistry, atoms and molecules, periodic classification. So there are 6 documents on this topic. Ionic bond. So this document is available on ionic bond. So we have text, we have videos, audios, images. So these are different types of resources which are available and which can be used by the teachers in their teaching learning process. When I move to the institutional partners, I find that institutional partners include UNICEF, Society for All-Round Development, Educational Survey Division NCERT, Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti, Teacher Try Science, Amaze Infotainment Private Limited, Ajim Premji University, and there are many other partners who are involved in developing the resources. So there are different types of resources which are available, and you can visit NROER website and can download the resources and can utilize them in your lesson plans.